Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Him Kailash. Today let's start our journey towards Delhi where we are going to go to Connaught Place and thereafter see the Charkha Museum. Charkha Museum is dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi ji. And in this video we will see what all can be seen in Charkha Museum and how to reach there.
Charkha Museum is located at the very heart of Connaught Place near Central Park. You can reach the place by using Google Baba. It will show you the route to the entrance as well as to the parking lots, so you need not worry on that count. Autos, metro and DTC buses are all available to reach this place. Various routes can be seen on the metro map, which is also available online. If you are traveling by your own car, you can use any of the paid parkings which is available around Connaught Place. The parking facilities underground Palika Bazaar can also be used to park your car. Now you can walk through the middle circle towards Khadi Bhandar. Enjoy the shops around and thereafter shortly you will reach the Charkha Museum.
Before entry into the museum, you will have to buy tickets worth ₹20. Along with the tickets, you will also get a khadi handkerchief. So practically, your entry into the museum is totally free. After climbing the stairs of the museum in the entrance, you will come across the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. This is a marvelous, magnificent and photogenic statue. Now when you start seeing the entire area, you will come across the museum building and subsequently the Charkha, steel Charkha, which overlooks the Connaught Place. When you start walking towards the Charkha, steel Charkha, first on the left hand side you will come across a steel lion. This steel line indicates Make in India. Further you can climb the stairs and reach the steel Charkha. It's a huge size Charkha overlooking the Connaught Place. When you continue right on the lawn, which has got green grass, children can enjoy themselves and play. When you continue to go further towards one corner of the green lawn, you will find the three monkeys of Mahatma Gandhi. The steel Charkha gives a magnificent view. This steel Charkha is 26 feet long and 13 feet high. It is made of stainless steel. It is the biggest such monument in the world, and it has been made by the Steel Authority of India. The steel lion representing Make in India also looks majestic and very photogenic in the backdrop of the national flag. Before entering the museum building, do not forget to see various sayings by Mahatma Gandhi, which is depicted on the outer wall of the museum in the corridor. The museum part is located in a single room. This museum has got 14 charkhas which have been donated by various people in India. alongside these 14 charkhas, there are various photographs and souvenirs which are associated with the life of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Once you have finished seeing the Charkha Museum, while coming out, don't forget to see the Ganga Bain Kutir. Ganga Bain was one of the disciples of Mahatma Gandhi who was very proficient in knitting the khadi cloth. So friends, how was this video? Was it informative? Could it really help you to plan your trip? Please do comment and subscribe this channel if you find it really useful. And thank you very much for visiting and viewing this episode.